Wow, beautiful Tom's watercolor cake. Here are 36 shades of color. This color is so beautiful and so smooth. You should also try it. Hey little kids, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video for you. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful shoe. This is a boy's shoe. This is a very cute shoe. So follow my every steps and try to draw with me. I completed the picture. Now let's start to color it. First one I'm using red color. Here I'm using light blue color. And the final color I'm using deep blue color. Boys like deep blue color. Do you like deep blue color? Yes, deep blue color is also so beautiful color. Let's finish the color. Wow, the shoe is looking so beautiful. You should also try to draw it. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new video very soon. Till then, bye bye little champs.